In today's fast-paced legal environment, maintaining compliance with accounting rules is not only a legal obligation, but also a crucial aspect of running a successful law firm. With the SRA, or the Solicitors Regulation Authority's accounting rules governing your financial practices, it's essential to have a clear understanding of the guidelines to safeguard your reputation and protect your clients' interests. Throughout a series of videos that we'll do in the coming months, we will explore key aspects of the SRA's accounting rules, shedding light on topics such as client money handling, safeguards, record keeping, and reporting requirements. And we will break down the rules into easily more digestible sections. Perhaps the best place to start is to know who the SRA's accounting rules apply to. So part 1 of the general rule 1 is the application section. So that's the very first part of the accounting rules. And this will apply, or will cover who the accounting rules apply to and who's responsible, and what about multidisciplinary practices is also covered in this section. So we'll go through these as a starting point. The first rule, Rule 1.1, states the following. These rules apply to authorized bodies, their managers, and employees, and references to you in these rules should be read accordingly. So effectively what we are saying with this is that the rules apply to everyone in the organization. By managers, we mean the owners, partners in a partnership or an LLP, directors in a company, or the sole practitioner. These are the roles or the people where the rules apply the most. These are the gatekeepers essentially, but in essence, the SRA's rules do apply to all employees in the firm. So anyone working in the law firm need to operate in line with the SRA's rules. So moving on to the second one, Rule 1.2 in this section states the following. The authorized body's managers are jointly and severally responsible for compliance by the authorized body, its managers, and employees with these rules. So what we are saying here is that the ultimate responsibility sits with the managers, and they need to ensure that the rules are being followed by the employees, that the employees are up to date with the rules and guidance. This, of course, can come in many forms, and this could be ensuring that the employees are properly trained up, ensuring the rules aren't being breached, and if something does go wrong, have a process how the firm will deal with issues in that situation. Usually this will come through the compliance officer for finance administration. These are called the COFAs, these compliance officers, and they will usually have or will need to have a process in place or a procedure to follow if the SRA's rules are breached. The third and last rule in this section is Rule 1.3, and that states in relation to a licensed body, the rules apply only in respect of activities regulated by the SRA in accordance with the terms of its license. So this might be in a situation where the firm has separate or multiple disciplines or service lines that it's offering to clients. An example that we can use is an estate agent that sells property, but the estate agent might also have a finance or a legal department that handles the conveyancing. So you could have a legal arm in the company or the corporation or the firm or the group that deals with legal services, and on the other side you have the normal estate agent selling property to the public. What is important here is that the SRA's rules will only apply to the regulated activity, in this case the legal services under its license, so the legal department will need to follow these rules. And that concludes part 1 of our exploration into the Solicitors Regulation Authority's account rules. So the list is long, and we'll look at the rest of rules over the coming months to help demystify the complexities of compliance. By understanding the rules, you are well on your way to maintaining a strong foundation for your legal practice. Compliance is not just a legal obligation, it is a vital step towards building trust with your clients and ensuring the integrity of your law firm. Stay tuned for more, and remember to stay informed.